Linking your bank account to your Raymond James account is a straightforward process that allows for easy fund transfers and management. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Raymond James website and log into your account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you will find options to manage your linked accounts. Step 3. Select Bank Account Linking. In the Account Settings, find the option for linking a bank account. This may be labeled as Link Bank Account or Add Bank Account. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter bank details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRO to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save Our Link Account button to finalize the linking process. You may receive a confirmation message once the account is successfully linked. Now that you have linked your bank account to your Raymond James account, you can easily manage your finances and make transactions. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.